台新银行公益慈善基金会，您的一票决定爱的力量。11月1日到30，邀您上网投票做公益，动动手指，用爱改变世界。投满10票再抽好礼，你我心心相印，让爱发光。
Welcome to MJ English.
Hello, everyone.
So today, we're skipping the grammar rules and looking at something, well, really practical.
Yeah, something you might actually run into. That slightly awkward chat about snoring.
It happens all the time, right? Sharing a room, traveling.
So, we've got this conversation between Emma, who's Taiwanese, and Jake, an American guy. They're in Seoul, sharing an Airbnb.
And they nail talking about something kind of embarrassing pretty smoothly. Let's listen to how they handle it. Morning, Jake. Did you sleep well?
Not really. Someone was snoring all night.
Oh no! Was it me?
Yeah, just a bit. It was kind of rhythmic.
That's so embarrassing. I didn't know I snored.
Don't worry, lots of people snore when they're tired or have a cold.
Maybe I should see a doctor.
Yeah, or try a nasal strip. It helped my dad a lot.
Good idea. I don't want to keep you up next time.
Thanks. But honestly, I've heard worse. Once my roommate sounded like a chainsaw.
Wow, poor you. I'll bring you earplugs next time.
Deal. Let's grab coffee and forget about it.
Okay, so there's a lot to unpack there, even in that short exchange.
Definitely. Let's jump into some key words first.
The main one, obviously, is snore.
Right, the verb. Like in, someone was snoring all night.
Or you could say, my roommate always snores loudly. Pretty basic, but essential here.
And then Jake uses that word rhythmic.
Yeah, that one stood out. Kind of a funny way to describe snoring.
It is, isn't it? It makes it sound less aggressive, almost musical, which is definitely not what you usually think. It's a way to soften the complaint.
And Emma immediately says, that's so embarrassing.
Crucial word, embarrassing. You need this one for any awkward moment, not just snoring.
For sure. And then later, Jake mentions his old roommate sounded like a chainsaw.
Ah, yes, the chainsaw comparison. Total exaggeration, right? But it makes Emma's snoring seem minor in comparison.
And it brings up another useful noun. Emma offers to bring earplugs, a practical solution. Oh, and one more phrase.
Go Go 以得利 Go Go 得利周开跑啦！即日起至11月18日，消费满100元赠10%点数，1点抵1元，赠点无上限。再享多款质感好物7折起，一起来得利，生活有感升级。点数赚不完，越买越得利。
Emma offers to bring earplugs, a practical solution. Oh, and one more phrase. Keep someone up.
Emma says, I don't want to keep you up next time, meaning prevent you from sleeping. Okay, so those are some useful words. What about the way they structured the conversation? The sentence patterns?
Well, it starts really politely, doesn't it? With Emma's question.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah, that's like the standard polite opener in the morning. It gives Jake an in.
It does, and he takes it, but gently. He doesn't say, you were snoring. He says, someone was snoring all night.
That someone was doing something pattern, it points out the problem without directly accusing anyone, initially at least. It leaves space.
And then Emma, realizing it might be her, uses that pattern. I didn't know I...
As in, I didn't know I snored.
Which is great for expressing surprise or maybe, genuine ignorance about something you do.
It shows she wasn't aware, which helps smooth things over. And then they move to solutions. Jake's suggestion.
Nasal strips?
Right. He says, try a nasal strip. It helped my dad a lot.
Ah, okay. So that pattern, it helps someone a lot, is a really useful way to recommend something without being too pushy. You're basing it on someone else's experience.
It adds a bit of distance, makes the suggestion feel less like an order and more like, well, just sharing something that worked for someone else.
Makes sense.
So you've got the polite question, the indirect complaint, admitting you didn't know, and suggesting solutions based on experience.
These phrases and patterns really help you manage potentially awkward moments without causing offense. Very practical English. Want the full transcript, key vocabulary, and useful sentence patterns? Just click the link below.
Give these a try next time you need to talk about something a little sensitive. You might be surprised how smoothly it goes. That's all for this time.
See you next time.